Hey you guys, in class we've been working on our persuasive essays. I just want to remind you that this assignment is in Google Classroom. If you go to your class period's Google Classroom and find the persuasive essay assignment, you will see the links to citing your sources. You will see a tab over here that says Open. Mine is a teacher view, so I don't have that tab, but you'll see the Open tab. When you click on that, you will also see the option for your persuasive essay final draft. So go ahead and open that up, and this is where you need to type your final drafts. You can just highlight over what I have and then type in your name, my name, or in English, today's date or tomorrow's date, the title, and then start typing your essay. And then last but not least, your works cited page needs to be on its own separate page. When you are finished, right around this area, you will see the Turn In button. Make sure you turn that in. For periods 1, 4, 5, and 6, your essays are due tomorrow before class. We will not be working on final drafts during class tomorrow. Period 3, you guys will be working on these during class tomorrow. And your final drafts will be due on Monday. If you guys have any questions regarding your final draft essays, please send me an email or a message on Remind. Again, these are due tomorrow for periods 1, 4, 5, and 6.